Quick tips.
Yo, what's up, guys? So, Quick Tips episode 3. I just want to build on Quick Tips episode 2, which was talking about feeling inside of you and what's playing. So, the more we can get in tune with our inner trust, we can begin to truly be led through our higher nature rather than opposed to our mind and body by simply just playing a physical instrument. Our spirit wants to express itself through art, and we can find when we trust that enough to just let go of the rules, of techniques, especially after a certain point. Of course, you want to build the proper physical vessel, aka your body, to be able to perform certain techniques. So that way, when you truly feel inside of yourself, like you have basically when you refine your body through the technique, applications of physical training, you give yourself the ability to further connect with your higher nature above your mind and body to guide you through the intuitive process of why your spirit wants to engage in the art of whatever it is of your choice anyway. So yeah, so basically, so when it applies to guitar, you know, you just feel it out. Like, and this will in turn allow you to truly understand a deeper part of yourself that is trying to get your attention. So this is what all art is, and whether it be 3D animation, whether it be painting, drawing, singing, sound, it shows you something about reality on a deeper level. So it's up for you to explore. I definitely just wanted to embellish on that because, like I said, once we can truly trust our higher nature is when we can begin to find why we're playing the instrument in the first place. You know, it's not really to become worshipped or praised by other people, but to share the love of the universe. So with that, I hope you find the most magical aspects of yourself and the music available coming through you. Talk to you soon. Quick Tips episode 3.
Subscribe and like to stay updated with all the Quick Tips content.